When I met Conor, I met his dog at the time, Poppy, who's a gorgeous little terrier who basically, Poppy taught me all about dogs. So the more I got to know her, the more I got to realise how amazing dogs were. So she passed away the year before last at 20. Right, so that was amazing. And it took us about a year to get over it. And it was during that year, actually, that we set up the Doggie Do, partly in her memory, I have to say, partly as a way to get our hands on a lot of dogs, hang out with a lot of dogs. Eventually, we were ready to adopt, and it was always going to be an adoption.
It was always going to be an adoption.
Yeah, because there's so many amazing dogs that need a home. Even though I had said, we're not getting a puppy, I want to adopt an older dog, or, you know, a 4 or 5 year old. Yeah. We saw Ellie and we both just went, her, oh my God, that one. So that was it. We signed up. They came and checked out the house to see if it would be suitable, and it all went ahead, and she came into our lives like a whirlwind. This is quite the shock going from 20-year-old to a 3-month-old.
Yes. I mean, look, apart from the fact that she's so unbelievably, adorably cute.
She's very cute.
It's just the personality that comes out in the dog. You know, you become really invested in it, watching it develop.
Yeah.
And they're also individual.
You ready? You ready, Ellie? Wait. High five. Good girl.
You celebrate the little learnings as you go along.
And
her first outdoor pee.
Yeah.
You're kind of high-fiving on the street. You know.
First outdoor poo. That
first
was like
outdoor poo was amazing.
High tens.
I think we went out to dinner to celebrate that. But it's the little thing, you know. And dog is in the details.
Like Ellie is a little shy of humans, but really loves dogs, and that was lovely because our last dog, Poppy, didn't like other dogs. We now have like loads more dog human friends, humans who have dogs.
Human friends. We know a lot more people in the neighbourhood as well. You know, it kind of opens up the neighbourhood.
I think she makes you less selfish. Having a dog, it means that you have to focus on this little living thing in your life who needs to be walked and needs to be played with and needs some attention.
Yeah.
So your life actually starts not revolving around the dog, but certainly becoming a lot more, a lot less us-centred and a lot more thinking about what she might like to do. Ready? You ready? Okay, Ellie, watch. Which hand? Yay!
We travel to New York every year, generally in October. There's a thing called the Tompkins Square Halloween Parade in Tompkins Square Park, where a lot of weirdos get dressed up with their dogs and parade. Just a really, really lovely event, and we kind of thought we'd love to bring a little of that flavour back to Dublin.
What we discovered was that there's a whole community of dog lovers who sort of maintain and run a dog run there year-round. It's a fenced-in area, and so we started hanging out there like the dog fanciers we are on our holidays, and seeing how there was a community in that little area of the city where people brought their dogs, the dogs could play together, but the people also stood around talking about their dogs and all got to know each other, and we thought, that's nice, we like dog people, we'd love to see more of that in Dublin. So, well,
as the line goes, it's a Mardi Gras for mud and man. Basically we're talking about a fun family day out for dogs and their humans, kind of like the electric picnic but for canines.
Dog people want to hang out with other dog people and their dogs.
That's
quite mainly it. You know, just get together, look at each other's dogs, talk about your dogs. That's the main thing, really, isn't it? We're slightly crazy.
I imagine people with children do something similar, but I don't know.
Yeah, possibly.
Maybe.